Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable the startup sound on Windows 11. So firstly click on start, settings, here click on personalization, now here click on themes, now here click on sound, Windows default, now here the option play Windows startup sound, so check this box, play Windows startup sound, check this box, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So this is the basic and easy way to enable and turn on the startup sound on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.